steak sandwich for the two of us with some really good whole wheat bread that we bought, and I toasted it already in this pan, right?
Yeah, smells really
whole
good.
grain. And so I have here, I've sauteed with a little bit of oil, the onions, green pepper and mushroom.
Nice.
And one chili pepper, one green chili pepper also. So it's a little bit hot.
Smells good.
So this is the, look at this, this is the New York strip, this is the loin. And these are the filet mignon,
Nice, yeah.
tenderloin. Then another sandwich with tenderloin only. And compare to see which one comes better, huh?
Yeah,
What I'm saying is, yeah, the loin has more taste. Of course, the tenderloin is very tender.
very lean.
But I think, we'll see. You tell me.
Yeah, I'm curious to find
They,
out.
I think these will win the taste test, and the other one will win the,
What do you call it? Health test?
no, the tenderness.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it would be nice and tender. Nice.
I've already put a little bit of salt on each,
Okay.
on all pieces, and it's on medium heat.
Okay.
You don't want to cramp them up.
Yeah.
Now this will go pretty much like a Philadelphia style, but without the cheese.
Okay.
You got the green pepper and onion, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. That's the best combination of kind of food. Alright.
See, I've already turned it off, and but the whole point is to cook it but not overcook it. So I'm gonna put a little extra virgin olive oil on these because I'm the fan of it, right?
Yeah,
Tastes
you know
good.
you know a lot about olive oil. You were talking to me earlier about it. You know a lot about olive oil.
I used to import it from
Yeah.
Spain to, or export from Spain to US.
Yeah.
Alright. So we're gonna put one of these for you here.
Beautiful.
This is the loin.
Nice.
And then, extra virgin olive oil, right?
Yeah.
To be fair.
Give it that
To
flavor.
be fair. Because we're comparing
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
filet mignon
We can't have it like
with the tenderloin.
we have to
Steak.
have a control group.
Yes. Small one at the end.
Very nice. That looks delicious. I'm not gonna lie. That olive oil looks like it's gonna. It has like that nice color to it. It's gonna be really tasty, I bet.
And
Very nice.
so we're gonna actually put some red onion and basil on top of it too, because that'll make it taste very good.
Yeah, that basil is gonna be great.
So I'm going all over the place. Okay, so we this is the final. I added the red onions and basil on the top.
Nice.
This is the red onion. These are basil. This is the filet mignon. You see of pork tenderloin, and this was the loin, the New York strip. And this, when you go to this part, this is the very soft, tender part.
And how much was like that?
We bought them all. This is all fresh, and that's from Friendship. They have very good quality. They're both like $170 per kilo, and here's 185. About the same.
Good deal.
Right about $5 or $5.50 and $6 a kilo.
Yeah, fresh, good meat.
Right about under $3 a pound. And then we're gonna close up the sandwich like okay, and
Very nice.
we will
Beautiful.
do it. Now the taste test.
Here we go.
Zinn.
The best part. This is the tenderloin first. Very nice.
The first one was good and tender. Now we're gonna compare it to the loin. Tenderloin versus the or the pork chop. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Tenderness? Good?
That's really tender, actually. That's really soft and a lot of flavor.
A lot of flavor on this one, huh?
Yeah.
So that's what I think. The pork chop, the loin, is much tastier. That's why I keep buying that.
Yeah, it's really a lot of flavor in it.
And today, since I was gonna buy that, I was gonna make a sandwich. So why don't I buy the tenderloin also just for a comparison? I haven't bought this for years.
And they both could go with the hot pepper.
Yeah. So are they just about similar, or you can taste the difference?
I taste the difference, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, this is very good.
The pork chop wins.
Yeah, I think so.
All right. And how did I do?
That's really good. Yeah.
Good sandwich?
Yeah, he spoils me. He's a really good cook.
All right, there it is. We made our own steak sandwich in Thailand from the wonderful pork they had.
Wow.
And oh, by the way, what is in your opinion the comparison between the pork in Thailand and the pork in U.S.? You're from Washington D.C., for example.
Oh yeah. I was telling you, like, there's no odor. Like, the pork here is like so lean, no odor.
Yeah.
It's clean. It tastes clean, you know.
Yeah, the pork in the U.S. is strong.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of high fat content.
And this is like really lean too. It almost tastes like beef.
Yes.
Like almost.
Yeah. You can't tell. A lot of people eat it and they argue with me. No, this is not. You're kidding me. Because they don't eat pork like Persian people.
Yeah.
Like, oh, don't tell me you gave me pork.
Yeah.
Okay. Finally, they argue with me. I said, okay, yeah, he wasn't pork.
Yeah. My dad doesn't eat pork. Yeah.
All right. There it is. If you got a kitchen, it's a very fast, easy meal.
Yeah.
As you saw. Yeah. And wonderful. And no MSG. Hey.
Even better.
Hello, Zinn.
How's it going?
How are you?
I'm feeling a little bit better.
Feel a little better.
Yeah.
Something you ate yesterday.
Yeah, Sunday or Saturday night, something over the weekend, yeah.
Something. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we go down. You overdose one day. 36 hours down, or 2 days.
I was dying.
Remember what were the symptoms?
Just nausea.
Nausea.
Just
Totally tired. No
totally
energy.
tired. No energy.
And you thought you had a fever.
Yeah, fever.
But you didn't. No, because you didn't take check. If you actually get your temperature drops below like 36.3, 36.5, so that you can sweat.
Yeah.
That's an everyday for everybody, but they don't know what it is. I told you what the reason is. Okay.
Yeah.
So I got the remedy for you, actually. Good food. I don't have a medicine, but a good hearty meal.
Oh.
This is the soup I make. I make 2 soups with the carcass of the fish. So once I fillet it, then I'm gonna have the head and the backbone.
Nice.
Okay.
อยู่ไทยนานแล้วเหรอทำไมคุณพูดภาษาไทยเก่งจัง
ไปรู้เรียนภาษาไทย1 เดือนครึ่งเท่านั้น2 ปี 3 ปีก่อน So I use it for soups. This is a tom yum pa. That's the tom yum fish, huh? So and on the top I sprinkle some Chinese cedar leaves chopped up and cilantro chopped up.
Very nice.
You can mix it together or whatever, or taste the broth, taste the soup. See what you think.
Very good.
Hmm?
Nice. Yeah, very good.
This is all from scratch, so no seasoning, no nothing in there.
Nice and rich and fishy.
And with rice, so it's a very, very healthy food for athletes like you. And it cleanses your system too.
Yeah.
And it got good all sorts of nutrition.
Yeah.
You got the fish, you got ginger, you got the water spinach.
Yeah.
Plenty of zinc, iron, phosphor.
Yeah, it's really good.
Whole lot of stuff. Then we got lemongrass and all that. Anyway, another time it's a tom yum, so got all the tom yum ingredients.
Yeah, it's really nice. And it goes good with the tadik and the rice.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah.
Glad you like it.
Yeah, it's really good.
Very, very healthy food for athletes like you.
Yeah.
I've worked out in the wild.